Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Ensure the console has at least 20% battery and a stable internet link so updates don't fail mid-process. Once done, back up your saved data to cloud or micro SD. This protects progress if you must reinstall. Next, power cycle the device by holding the power button for 12 seconds and then booting into recovery or safe mode. This clears transient faults and prepares the system for targeted fixes. You'll diagnose the error by attempting a system update and noting any error codes and timestamps, because codes point to firmware versus app issues. If you suspect storage, remove the micro SD and test it on a PC. Reformat only after confirming files are backed up, since corruption causes install failures. Then reinstall the affected game or firmware using the eShop or a manual load. This replaces damaged files and often resolves software. You finish by performing a factory reset only if backups are secure and you've exhausted repairs, because this reverts firmware and clears persistent faults. After reset, reapply system updates, restore your saved data, and verify each app launches cleanly. This confirms the issue is gone. If problems persist, record the exact error code and steps you took, then contact support with that diagnostic detail. Having the code speeds resolution and prevents repetitive steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.